Stop the clock.
Right there, man. They are right there. Over there. CC move. Almost had you, Mikey. Almost had you.
Three's in. Start it up. 310 inside. Find a good spot to hide, buddy. David. Go in that side room. There you go.
I got you. Watch the back. Get him in the window. Get him in the window, Steve, right there. Whoa!
Yeah.
Green.
How many you got in here? Grenade! Oh, it's a leaker though. It didn't go off.
How many do we need, Doyle?
You need 3 in here. There's still a tan guy in here though.
Oh, that's bad.
Hmm?
Yeah, no.
Ah, hit.
Are you hit, David? Okay.
Get in. Ah, hit.
Nice fucking work, dude. My boy's in there killing all your dudes.
No. He's in this side hit room.
You already got 3 of them. No, he's green, dude. No full auto and no face shooting.
Watch him pop around the corner now.
Oh shit.
Watch this room. Watch this room. No, right here.
Watch the full auto.
Our time's rolling, right?
They got 3 in here?
He's in here. You gotta kill him.
You never said you had to have
Oh,
it by
you
yourself.
gotta kill. You gotta own this. We're not gonna start the clock until you get him out of there. You don't own it yet. Go get him. You got a shotgun. Just put one in his leg. He's good at calling it. Here comes your death, buddy. Did he hit you, David? Hey, did he hit you? Did you hit him, Ben?
I don't know. I got hit as I was pulling the trigger. Hit!
He usually cries like a sissy when he gets hit, so I
yeah,
think
you
you
can tell
did,
when
yeah.
you hit, right?
Green guy. Behind the bar. Come here. You gotta stay low. Stay super low. I know. I'm gonna go get him. Come here. Watch this window. Make sure that they don't get up on the side of this shit. Just stay low and pull it. And then we do.
Andrew's gonna shoot his own guy. Nope, he didn't. Good job.
Yes, you can shoot full auto out of that. Out of windows, you can shoot full auto.
Tie that corner, David. Hey, David. Good job, buddy.
Hey,
Reset, start it.
hit! Out!
Still 3 in here.
Hit!
Pause the
cover all of you.
Come in, turn in the corners, turn in the corner.
Make sure all of you is covered in. And you hold it right there.
Four coming up. One coming up your side. Two coming up your side. Two coming up your side. Two coming up ours. Hey, Timmy!
3 minutes.
3 minutes left or 3 minutes
Don't shoot far if you don't have to. Save your gas for the close shirt shot.
He took the hit.
Perfect. Ain't nobody here.
No, one went that way though. Is there an entrance right here?
Just a window.
Lie on the corner.
Is there an entrance right here or just a window?
Just a window.
Smoke!
We got a little one right here.
Hit!
Fire.
Someone else.
Fire.
Fire! Fire!
Hold on.
Time out! Time out!
Fire.
It's out.
Kick it and go.
Dutter.
Put your head down. Yeah, one coming that way. Left way.
The right left door back front.
No blind fire. Upper left hand side of the lower right corner. No, just My fucking luck. They're playing chicken over here.
Oh, you got me.
Hurry the elbow.
Come here.
My nipple.
Ooh, nippler.
Come in here.